We have been talking about this name from a very long time. If you haven't paid attention, I guess you have missed this opportunity. Breakout and look at the strong volumes. It is almost 5 times increase in volumes. The stock is up 11%. See, most of the stocks, this is the third stock we have seen today which has broken out of its support, long-term support. So that's a bit warning. Hello investors, welcome to Chart Shastra. Today is day 23 of our 100-day price action challenge. Let's look at the market now. It is a very volatile day. In fact, the large caps, look at large caps, they corrected by 0.7%, right? But if you look at Nifty Midcap Select Index, it is up 1.72%. That is very strange, right? Because the heavy weights in midcap were up 3%, 5%, few of the stocks. Even I am a bit surprised with today's market action. I am trying to understand the market action today. If you look at the Nifty Midcap, which is 150 index, which comprises of all 150 stocks, it is fairly flat. But again, coming on the small cap index, it has again taken support at this trend line. It is still consolidating and micro cap is getting weaker and weaker. See, the close is very weak. In fact, it has closed at exactly at this support. I'm hoping that the market should recover today, but looks like the market is getting volatile because if you look at the Nifty India VIX volatility index, it is up 5% today. Coming to the sectoral charts, you can see that Bank Nifty had a very volatile day. In fact, it is down 2%, almost 1000 points since the high of the day. It has been very volatile, especially the private banks as well as the public sector banks too. Coming to IT, there has been a strength finally in IT sector. Few of the IT names have seen a strong buying force today, but again, auto has become weaker. It is going down. Reality is also becoming weaker and weaker. It is going down. Overall, the sentiment is getting worse and worse as the year end coming is soon. But look at pharma index. We have been discussing that pharma has been one of the strong sectors lately, right? In fact, today I have seen many other pharma stocks to follow, giving a strong follow price action. And infrastructure is also becoming weaker. FMCG is just doing sideways as of now. Telecom too tried its best to move up, but the closing isn't as great. But again, look at healthcare, one of the stronger sectors right now we are having. If you look at media, it is going down. In fact, it has become very weak. Look at here. This was the support, crucial support we have been always talking about, right? Clearly, the support has been broken and avoid media sector. Now let's start with our daily 100 stocks. Coming with Reliance Industries, it is still in a larger downtrend, much weaker. TCS2, unlike other IT stocks, this is still struggling. There is no inherent force. HDFC Bank had a very volatile day. It tried to move up above this 1817, but again, the closing is very weak. Bharti Airtel to going sideways. ICICI also having a very volatile day. I don't like such days. Infosys also having a volatile day. State Bank of India going down. In fact, on the Friday, we have seen that it has breached a new low, and today the price action perfectly synced. But look at these volumes here. The volume is 21 million shares in State Bank, which is almost double the volumes, and the stock is down 1.4%. In fact, it is just so getting near to this crucial support, which is 765. If the State Bank of India breaches this low, I think we are in a little bit of danger. ITC not improvement, but it is holding this correction period very well. Let's hope that it breaks above this 480 level, then we can watch it under our watch list. Hindustan Unilever not great. LIC took a big support here, tried to move up strong, but the closing was very weak. See, there has been efforts made today in the market to push the prices higher, but the sellers or the short bears always try to dominate lately. Look at HCL Tech 2. Same kind of scenario, right? It has took its support exactly at this 50 EMA line, bounced off with a very strong volume. But the closing is not great closing. I want somewhere closing at the top of the day or the high of the day. Then we can say that the market is getting stronger. L&T becoming weaker and weaker. Sun Pharmacy, look at here, very, very, very large volume, 6 million, almost 300% jump in the volumes, and look at it. We already got a breakout here. This was the confirmation, and it is smoothly going up. That's what we want in a stock, especially in such current market times. Bajaj Finance not good. NTPC, as you know that I have been telling you that this has become very weak, a perfect stock to short it. It is going lower and lower every day. Look at the volumes today. Maybe some form of index rebalancing has happened today, I guess, because there are larger volumes today in the market, that too on the downside, which is not looking great. Even Axis Bank, it tried here, but again, look at the closing, very weaker. Maruti too, very weak charts, right? The Kotak Mahindra Bank, again, large red day, very volatile day. Mahindra and Mahindra, it has formed an inside day after this strong move. Let's wait, let it consolidate here and break above this 3080, 3100 level. Then we can see some form of bullishness in the stock. ONGC, again, look at here, guys. Very weak name. Another day. I've told you that it is consolidating sideways. Any breakdown would initiate a new position again. It is a very clear pattern you are seeing here, right? One of the very weak names. ONGC. Tata Motors too, again. Very weak name. Ultratech Cement, not at all looking good. Adani, finally it has closed above this range. It's a good price action, so let me just close this red box here. Maybe now the probable levels Adani would be testing is this the upper boundary of the gap, which is 2800. Maybe it would face some resistance at these levels, but again, ignore Adani names, especially in such market conditions. Power grid not looking good, still hovering below it. Titan becoming weaker and very, very choppy name. Bajaj Auto again becoming weaker. Adani Ports not at all participation. So it was only one single Adani participation. Coal India, just like NTPC, just like ONGC, you are seeing, right? All the PSU stocks, the public sector stocks are facing a lot of selling pressure. Maybe the budget is coming ahead. We are seeing some form of selling. Smart money is exiting from these names. Asian Paints a positive day, but there is no hope left for the stock. There is no form bottoms formation signs. Wipro, which used to be stronger name, even it struggled today. Hindustan Aeronautical, very, very big red day here. See, it tried to go around here, but look at the magnitude of the fall. It was down 12-13% in a matter of 9 sessions. So that is what the sellers are very strong in this name too. So probably it will test this 3900 level. Anything below that might be a red warning for Hindustan Aeronautical. Bajaj Finserv not looking good. DMart trying to move up. Let's wait. Let's wait and watch if it consolidates here and if it goes up. If you are someone who is very fundamentally studied this company in detail and is willing to add, wait for the price to form bottom. Trend still consolidating sideways as of now, holding very strong. Adani Green, nothing major improvement. Siemens breached this support today. Coming few days would be very crucial for Siemens. Let's hope that it bounces back upwards. Otherwise, we might be seeing a lot of selling pressure. JSW still it has successfully breached out this long-term channel, right? If the weekly closing is also something similar to this, after a very long time, the stock has been breaking down its lower channel. So that is not at all a good sign. So stay alert if you are holding this name. Adani Power also a little spike today, but nothing major interesting here. Tomato also had a very good spike here, but something is different about today's price action. If you are observing it, please put it on the comment section. We can discuss in detail. Nestle not looking good, going down. IOC also not looking good, going down. Bharat Electronics, another name which is getting weaker. See, all the public sector units are not doing well. Varun Beverages finally a strong day. It has almost tried to test this 667 level. It is acting well now. Maybe a little consolidation here and a breakout above this level would be new addition to the portfolio. But last time we have taken here and exited somewhere here, so we don't want that to happen again. Let's wait for the confirmation because market isn't doing well. Geo Finance very weak name. DLF too not looking good. Tata still nothing interesting. See, in fact, it is going down and down. Probably a stock to short it. Vedanta, same scenario repeating. The metals are looking very weak. Grasim, the cement industry, see, it is a breakdown today. In fact, Grasim has become very weak. Maybe there would be a bounce back in tomorrow's or coming days, and it might try to go this. But if it doesn't happen and it consolidates here and breaks down, that's another short stock. IRFC looks like it has a good day, but the closing is not great. LTIM not at all looking good, very weak name. Indigo too, it has come down. We have taken a buying position here. As of now, it is still holding these two key moving averages and this level. Let's wait and watch how it turns out. TechM2, just like HCL, take a very quick spike today. SBI Life not interesting. Pidilite, in fact, it has broke down and went below this level, but looks like it has closed above this level. As of now, it is okay, but please stay alert if you are holding this name. ABB also getting weaker and weaker. Divi's Laboratory finally a little spike here, but again the closing is not great. HDFC Life going down, it is getting weaker. Hindalco, see, another breakdown here today. This is the second breakdown we have seen today, the major support breakdown. See, this is a bit warning, so please stay alert. The market is not at all looking good. Try to stay away from the names. Do not take any rush positions. Look at PFC. It is also hanging at these support levels. I don't want that to happen. Many stocks are hanging at support levels. Britannia not looking good. Ambuja Cement not looking good. GAIL to same reaching its previous support level. Tata Motors, see, Tata Power, another major breakdown. See, most of the stocks. This is the third stock we have seen today which has broken out of its support, long term support. So that's a bit warning today. REC2, just like BFC has approached probably breakdown. Even Motherson Sumi, very weak. See, BPCL hanging at these support levels. Godrej Consumer Products, look at it. I don't even want to talk about this name. See, it's going down, down, down each day, each day. IHR Motors still sideways. Bank of Baroda also getting weaker and weaker. Cipla, despite the pharma stocks doing well, Cipla isn't doing well. JSW a bit relief here. We have seen a reversal in this. It means that there is some form of buying interest here. Let's hope that the stock respects and stays above this level. If it doesn't and if it slides down, maybe that's another signal that the stock is getting very weak. Look at TVS Motor too. Almost it has tried to breach here, right? See, today is a very important day, I guess. Most of the these are the finer details. Observe these finer details. Current Pharma not looking great, but it is still consolidating. Sriram Finance, nothing major happened here today. Chola to trying to bounce back. Let's see how does this goes. Ooh, look at this. This is what we are waiting for. The final successful breakout in Bajaj Holding. See, most perfect breakout. We have been talking about this name from a very long time. If you haven't paid attention, I guess you have missed this opportunity. I have been discussing about this name for a very long time. Look at here, a perfect breakdown and a breakout, and look at the strong volumes. It is almost 5 times increase in volumes. The stock is up 11%. See, a perfect breakout. This is what a perfect breakout should look like. A textbook kind of breakout. I hope that you did not miss this name. Adani Energy Solutions not looking good. Punjab National Bank not looking good. Dr. Reddy is acting very well, very strong name. United Spirits, another. See, I've been telling you, right? Probably another little entry today we got here. See, probably a second entry. If you have missed that first entry, this would be the second entry. Finally, out of those 5, 6 very weak names, we are seeing one or two breakouts, which is giving some form of hope that the market, there are few names in the market which are acting well. Lodatu not great. We need this consolidation to be taken out. iPro is getting weaker. Havels is getting weaker. Bosch again getting weaker. Apollo Hospitals, it tried its attempt today. Maybe this 7300, 7400 is the crucial level. Once it breaks this level, I think you are good to go on the Apollo Hospital. So focus on that name. Zaido's not looking good. Hero Motocup, see, very weak name, still going down. Now correct has tried to break out today this level, but again the closing is very weak. So kindly keep this under the watch list. We have been seeing Naukari has been doing very well, right? Tata Consumer Product not looking good. Dabur, see, very bad name, not going up or down. ICICI Lombard again tested. It has literally tested this support level. So just for the reference, I'm going to draw a line here. If it breaks down this level, probably another series of selling would start. Jindal still very choppy name. Sri Cement, see, not again. It has become very weak. It has been moving down and down. So not a good name. Canara Bank to PSU banks are not acting well. Union Bank was also not acting well. IndusInd, see, a little reversal here, but I won't call it a reversal. Probably a dead cat bounce. Since it has been falling so hard, a little bounce is expected in such names. Adani Total Gas, although it looks like a 10% move today, I do not generally trust these moves because see, look at here. Previously, it has happened the same way, but it has slowly slided down. Maybe that might repeat or it might not repeat. So, why do you want to have that confusion? We don't want to invest in such names. NTB, NHPC not looking great. BHEL, see another big breakdown today. Another perfect shorting opportunity. In fact, we have shorted this name somewhere here. Since then, the stock is down almost 9% from here. See, perfect. If you have also missed this opportunity, I can't help you. But if you are someone who has traded this, congratulations. IRCTC, another big breakdown here. This would be the first breakdown, and today it was a strong follow up move. See, overall, if you look at these 100 names, many stocks have breached the crucial support, but there are two important breakouts like Bajaj Holdings and United Spirits, right? So please trade the markets very carefully. Do not take high exposures. Only trade with little amount of money. And please, if you are loving this analysis, please put it in the comment section. Like my videos and subscribe to my channel Chat Shastra. See you tomorrow.